Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you if your iPhone shows could not activate mobile data network and mobile data is not working. Don't worry, in this video I will show you working fixes step by step to solve this irritating problem permanently. So before we start, you need to know why this error appear. This error usually appear because of temporary network issue, wrong APN settings, SIM card problem, carrier configuration bug, or iOS software glitches. So let's fix it step by step. So when you are facing this type of problem, first you need to toggle your mobile data and airplane mode. So open your control panel on your iPhone. Here you can get the option mobile data. Just need to enable and disable it, or you can turn airplane mode on one time and after 30 seconds you need to turn it off back, and just need to turn your mobile data on. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Check if internet start working or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Close this. Now you need to open your iPhone settings. Okay, in the iPhone settings, go to mobile services. Okay, and here guys you need to find out mobile data option. Open it. Okay, and here you need to select voice and data. From here you need to select 5G auto. Also you need to enable VoLTE option from here. After doing this guys, restart your iPhone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings. To reset this guys, open your iPhone settings once again like this, and here go to journal, scroll down. At the end here you can get the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. From here you need to tap on only reset option. From here you need to select reset network setting. It will restart your iPhone automatically, and then try to test your internet, how the internet is working on your iPhone. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to turn off your iPhone, remove the SIM card, clean your SIM and SIM card tray gently, and reinsert SIM properly, and turn on your iPhone. Now let's check your internet, how your internet is working now. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. If possible, you remove your SIM card from your iPhone and test SIM in another phone. In another phone the problem is same, so the problem is not on your phone, the problem is in your SIM card. You need to find out this. In case the SIM card is working very perfectly fine on another phone, you can try this method. Open your phone settings. Now you need to connect your iPhone for one time to a Wi-Fi network. Open the Wi-Fi and connect the Wi-Fi network. After doing this guys, go to journal and go to software update, and if the software update is there, first of all you need to update it. Okay, after updating, it will fix your all problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. If nothing work, like if you are using Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, may have network or APN issue, call your customer care and ask for data service refresh. It will fix your problem. In 90% cases, network research plus carrier update fix this error completely. Still the problem is same, so visit your nearby customer service center and share your problem with them. They will sort out your problem. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more iPhone and tech fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the